Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Nissan Titan Cummins versus Duramax. We will dive into their core differences, performance metrics, and overall utility to help you decide which truck best suits your needs. The Nissan Titan XD offered a unique Cummins diesel, while the Duramax powers various heavy-duty trucks. Let's explore how these two formidable diesel engines stack up against each other in terms of power, towing, and overall driving experience. When we look at engine specifications, the Nissan Titan XD's 5.0-liter Cummins V8 turbo diesel produces 310 horsepower and 555 pound-feet of torque. In contrast, the 6.0-liter Duramax V8 turbo diesel, found in heavy-duty trucks, boasts a significantly higher 470 horsepower and 975 pound-feet of torque. Both engines are designed for robust performance, but the Duramax clearly offers more raw power. Moving to capability, the Nissan Titan XD with the Cummins diesel offers a maximum towing capacity of up to 12,710 pounds. Its payload capacity can reach up to 2,990 pounds. Duramax-equipped heavy-duty trucks, however, are built for even more demanding tasks, with towing capacities reaching an impressive 36,000 pounds and payload capacities up to 7,234 pounds. This highlights the Duramax's role in the heavy-duty segment. In terms of driving experience, the Nissan Titan XD with the Cummins engine often provides a smoother, more refined ride, bridging the gap between half-ton and heavy-duty trucks. Duramax trucks, while powerful, are engineered for maximum work capability, often resulting in a firmer ride optimized for heavy loads. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize a blend of comfort and capability or absolute heavy-duty performance. Before you go, remember that life's too short for cheap socks. Check out Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.